Every successful data governance program starts with a strong foundation. In this video, we'll explore the 8 elements of data governance and why they matter. Data governance is a focused effort to help a company mature its data organization, make better decisions, and maximize value. It requires thoughtful review, planning, and execution. In this video, we'll explore why data governance matters and how Exavalu can help you accelerate and advance to gain a competitive advantage. Data governance is a structured function to ensure data is managed properly and in accordance with defined standards to a fit-for-use data quality level. It results in higher quality data for better decision-making and reduces the time it takes to find and understand data. Exavalu has built a comprehensive data governance framework that meets you where you are at and accelerates or jumpstarts the deployment, adoption, and execution of a complete end-to-end data governance function. The 8 elements of data governance is a practical framework that includes a guidebook and playbook for implementing data governance across people, processes, and technology through all 8 elements. Exavalu offers this solution at any level from strategy and process development to full deployment, including software solutions. Element number 1 is organization, where we identify the scope of the data we want to govern, the owners and stewards that will manage the data quality level. We define the expected business value and build out a plan using the data governance guidebook and playbook. Element number 2 is policies, where we identify the enterprise policies such as retention and confidentiality, as well as any new policies such as who gets access to the data and when does it expire. Element number 3 is procedures, which are instructions to carry out the policies. The who, what, when, where, and how. For example, to give someone access to the data, who does that? How is it done? Element number 4 is standards and definitions, where we create a data dictionary or business glossary of the data. We define what metadata we want, such as owner or last update date, and we understand how the data is structured in what systems. Element number 5 is architecture. This is the technical architecture and business architecture of the data in form of data flow diagrams, business process flowcharts, or system architecture diagrams. Element number 6 is data administration and controls. To fully understand the risk that the data has across its entire lifecycle, this is where data security measures are identified for confidential or restricted data, and proper controls are developed to mitigate risk or for regulatory compliance. Element number 7 is metrics and reporting. To determine the data quality level to be always maintained to make sure the data is fit for use. We determine what actions need to be taken if the data quality drops below acceptable levels. It may evolve over time as some metrics achieve perfection and can no longer go below that, and other new quality issues get addressed. Element number 8 is audit. That pulls all the deliverables of the data governance framework together so the data owner can execute the governance process. At all times, we index the documents and evidence for internal or external auditing to ensure the process is functioning and we are getting the business value as planned. Well-functioning data governance means better and faster decisions, smoother operations, and lower risk. That puts you on the path to converting data, to information, to knowledge, to the wisdom you need to be the best with data you can trust.